Hello friends, and welcome to a new video. Today, we're going to explain how you can achieve successful trades using technical analysis. Here, I noticed that the market was in an uptrend and sellers started to come in. When the market broke the moving average, I was sure that there was strong selling pressure. Let's dive in and break down this trade step by step so you can understand the details and benefit from them in your own trading. If you notice here with me, the market started making a higher high compared to the previous one, which indicated strong buying pressure. As you can see in the images in front of you, the market was clearly rising in the marked areas. But when it reached this area, a reversal in the trend began to appear, and the market started to enter a downward phase. As soon as it broke the moving average, I was convinced that the market would indeed continue to decline. And this was a strong signal that this trade should be a sell. The trade closed in profit, thank God. Now let's look at another opportunity with a different currency pair. I noticed that the market was in a very strong uptrend, and the buying power was evident. However, sellers entered at an excellent level, and buyers couldn't continue the rise. Here, the market started confirming the downward trend and began to make a lower high compared to the previous one from the upper area. The moving average I drew was also broken, which is a strong signal that this trade will likely be profitable, God willing. Now, I'm going to enter two trades with $2,000 each, and let's see how they turn out together. Great, both trades were profitable, thanks to God. That wraps up the video. I'll see you in a new video soon, God willing. Goodbye, and I wish you all a happy day, my friends.